Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss that what are the skills that you need to learn in order to become successful and the skills which are in demand. So stay tuned to this video and watch till the end. Skill number 1 which you need to learn is logo making. So logo making is very easy and businesses need a logo for their brand. So if you are interested in design, then you can go for any logo making courses. Those are available in the platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, or you can learn them from YouTube itself. So skill number 2 is WordPress. So why you need to learn WordPress? Because businesses are coming online and they all need a business representation and online representation, a digital platform that they can share with their customers and their customers can avail their services. A WordPress is very easy and it is a template based website building platform, and you can create beautiful designs from WordPress, and by learning these skills you can actually create a lot of websites for yourself and for your customers, and you can sell them. You can do freelancing. You can be hired by some of these companies which build website. So learning WordPress would be very profitable. Next skill which you need to learn is video editing. So a lot of people are creating content online, and they need a video editor, and a lot of people don't edit their own videos and they hire people for that. And there are a lot of Indian YouTubers which have 2 editors, 3 editors. Video editing is such an important skill and you can learn it easily from one of these platforms or online in YouTube for free. So the next skill is public speaking. Public speaking is very, very, very important. It is more important than you think. You know why a lot of people want to start their YouTube channel but they don't? Because if you think they don't know editing, or they don't have any content, this is not the case absolutely. So the case is they are fear of speaking in public. If I were to take the example of YouTube itself, so in YouTube I have to speak to a camera. Currently there are absolutely no one in this room and I'm speaking to a camera, but yet I'm hell nervous. So public speaking is very important and you have to learn this, and I think you should invest in learning this if you have a really big problem in speaking in public. So this is something which you can invest in. So our next skill is affiliate marketing. You might be seeing a lot of YouTube ads selling you affiliate marketing courses. Affiliate marketing is something which is very high in demand right now, and businesses are selling their products online and they need these type of solutions, these type of affiliate marketing and various other marketing strategies. So for that, if you learn affiliate marketing and if you do that in your website, and if you promote others' website or others' product online, then you would be of very much importance. Guys, next step is photography. Photography looks easy, but it is not. It is a very highly technical profession and it needs a lot of details and a lot of study and a hell lot of practice. So by enrolling to a photography course, you can actually invest in a very long time in your career and in yourself. And photography is something which involves design also, which involves technical details, which involves artistic capabilities. So there are a lot of photographers right now in the market, but this skill is something which you can develop over time also. So the next skill which you can learn if you have an interest in this field is makeup. So there are a lot of makeup influencers right now and a lot of professional makeup artists, and they are doing an absolutely great job in their passion field, and they get a lot of clients in the wedding season, in the photo shoots, the pre-wedding shoots and all those kinds of photo shoots, and they also get a lot of learning by practicing actually their passion. So A makeup skill is a must-have in these days if you are especially filming a makeup content or video content. So this is also one of the top skills which are in demand right now. Tip number 8 is blogging. So you can start your career in blogging. Blogging is why it's really low in my list is because I have tried blogging, and blogging takes a really lot of time and patience, but it works for sure, and it works wonders, that I can guarantee you. So blogging requires a lot of skills. Some of it is like writing, affiliate marketing, and there are a hell lot of other things which you can learn and you can implement those. Blogging is currently the #1 most popular side hustle for people who are in a job and they are trying to switch their careers and they are trying to move into some other passionate field. So blogging really helps them in building their initial money or a long time flexible income. So blogging is really on the go. Next skill which you can learn is Google Ads and Facebook Ads. So you can learn how to create Google Ads and Facebook Ads and actually promote certain products which are through these networks, Facebook and Google, and you can actually earn a lot of profit, and you can get hired by some companies which want advertisers or these designers or ad creators, so you can take up that job. So this is also a must-have skill in my list. Next and the last tip which I have for you is app development. We can develop an app, an Android or an iOS app, and this app can actually benefit your clients, or you can create it for somebody else and publish it on App Store, and you can earn a lot of profit from that. And this is very easy to learn. You need to have a little background of coding. In this video I have tried to tell you about 10 skills that you can learn in 2021 and upgrade yourself. And as told in the previous video, I told you about how to become successful and the journey. So I gave you 3 points, which was knowing yourself, questioning your surrounding, and learning, and keep on learning. So this comes in the learning part, and you can actually learn one of these skills whichever you like, and you can upgrade. In the next video I'm going to tell you about certain other ideas which I think which you can implement, and you can actually get closer to success. Hit that like button and do subscribe to this channel, and I'll bring you more such content which will be very helpful to you. Guys, these were the top 10 skills. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.